Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OMG Network. Earlier we were watching that the price line of OMG Network broke out the resistance of a falling wedge, and after breaking out the resistance of the falling wedge, it was retesting the previous resistance as a support. And this was the idea that I shared for my members at the Patreon when we had this breakout. And let me just show you this chart as well. And then I also shared this chart with you as well in my previous video, and you can see the price line at that time when I shared this chart just broke out this resistance, and this was our first target at this resistance, and our final target for this falling wedge can be at $17.70. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line retested the support and hit the first sell target, and now I'm expecting that it will be move more up from here. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis for my members at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, let's move to the 4-hourly time frame live chart, and here we can see that after turning bullish, after retesting the previous resistance as a support, it has turned bullish even though the Bitcoin was bearish today, but the OMG network was still bullish and it is moving up. And if we take a look at the RSI, then we can see that after a long time period, RSI has formed first higher than previous high and also formed another higher low than previous low, and the price line has also started forming higher highs and higher lows. And if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then we have already formed a higher high, and right now the RSI is again moving up to form another I'm expecting that it can form another higher than previous high. And you can see that on the daily time frame, the RSI has already formed another higher low, and the price line is also forming another higher low. Now if we take a look at this trend line support that I was telling you that the price line is, while it was testing the support of this wedge, at the same time it was also testing this trend line support that the price line broke out after 26th of July. And this is, by the way, the daily time frame chart. And at the same time, the price line has already broken out the resistance of the cup and handle. And this was, let me just show you the cup and handle. This was the resistance of the cup, and this was the body, and this was the handle of the cup. And you can see after breaking out the handle, the price line has also broken out the resistance of the cup and retested the previous resistance of the cup and this trend line support, and also the falling wedge resistance as a support that was previously working as a resistance. Now I would like to show you the target for this cup and handle again. If I place this trend line from here up to this resistance and place it here, then our next expected target as per the targets for this cup and handle will be approximately at $21. And if the price line reaches the resistance, this tail of this falling wedge there, that will be approximately at $17.70, approximately $18. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.